Hey everybody, Matt and Matt here from DuelingPianos.Vegas. Just let you know, you can still order your t-shirts from Teespring. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in showing your support for dueling piano players here in Las Vegas. Also, if you're interested in dueling pianos or solo pianos for your post-quarantine party, visit the website www.DuelingPianos.Vegas. Contact us. Today we're going to do a song for all the Midwestern homies out on the East. Those blue-collar men and women that are just working, trying to get through these times. I want to do this song for them. It's one of my favorite Bob Seger tunes of all time. It's called Roll Me Away. Took a look down westbound road, right away I made my choice. Headed out on my big two-wheeler, I was tired of my own voice. Took a beat on the northern plain, I just rolled that power on. City, stopped into a bar to have a brew. Met a girl and we had a few drinks, and I told her what I decided to do. She looked out that window a long, long moment, then she looked into my eyes. She didn't have to say a thing, I knew what she was thinking. Roll me away, you roll me away tonight. I'm so lost and I feel double-crossed, and I'm sick of what's wrong and what's right. She never even said a word, just walked out, got on that bike. We roll clean out of sight. Finally feeling free. Somewhere along the high road, the air began to turn cold. She said she missed her home, and I headed off alone. Still on the mountaintop, staring out the great divide. I could go east, I could go west, it was all up to me to decide. Then I saw a young hawk flying, and my soul began to rise. Pretty soon, my heart was singing. Roll me away, won't you roll me away tonight? Gotta keep rolling, gotta keep riding, keep searching till I find what's right. As the sunset faded, I spoke to the famous first starlight. Till next time. Next time. blow me away.